me, but...
What? Did you read them?
No. I don't get it, though, Dion. Why would the Lattimores want me to renew the liquor license at the orphanage?
Baby, people say they've been trying to get their hands on that orphanage for years. Apparently they want to turn it into a strip joint. Disgusting.
First you're gonna clean the basement, then you're gonna clean the garage, then you're gonna go upstairs and clean the attic.
I don't even have an attic.
Well, then you build a damn attic then, Norbit, and then clean it. I'm going upstairs to take a bubble bath.
Finally. I need this. Ooh, let me submerge this ass. Hey, you. Oh. Ooh, good Lord. You sound like it's raining outside.